Welcome. It's our Shumatt's channel. I'm Qinchengda from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today, this is our company product, the fuel injector. I will show you this one. Let's take a look. Neutral white box. The label information includes one side each piece. The product code is 04451109995. Also, the logo label, the packaging details, etc. We supply customized service. Two layers in the inside. The first layer avoids some damages during the transportation. The second layer is blue VCR anti-rust bag. For this one, high quality each items before we send out 3 times common real test and a good after sales service. 6 months warranty time in this period. If you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. The plug. This is protection cover. This is the plug. Generally, in the inside, it has triangle valve. Oil goes from this position and come out from here. Injector nozzle. For the spare parts like injector nozzle, control valve, solenoid valve, generally we use By Schumatt, green power, etc. If you want higher quality, we can use original Bosch brand. Okay, so much for this one. At last, if you still have other questions, please send us better comments. Qinchengda will help you to check it. Also, you can download our Trackbook app to search information. And at last, if you are not follow us, please follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.